Quick cardio. Burn calories fast in just 5 minutes.
Pressed for time, but still want an effective workout? This 5-minute cardio session is designed to ramp up your heart rate and help you burn calories quickly. No equipment needed, just some space and your own motivation. Let's break down the session move by move so you can get the most out of every.
Minute 1. Warm up with high knees.
Start with high knees to get your blood flowing. Stand tall and march your jog in place, lifting your knees to hip height. Swing your arms to intensify the movement. Keep your core engaged and focus on quick, controlled steps. This warm-up preps your body for the more intense moves ahead.
Minute 2. Powerful jumping jacks.
Transition to classic jumping jacks for the second minute. Jump both feet out to the sides while raising your arms overhead. Then return to the starting position. Move at a steady pace, picking up the tempo if you can. Jumping jacks are a great full-body exercise to increase your heart rate and energy.
Minute 3. Fast bodyweight squats.
Perform quick bodyweight squats by standing with feet shoulder-width apart, lowering your hips back and down as if sitting into a chair, then pushing through your heels to stand. Move at a brisk pace while maintaining good form. Squats engage your legs and glutes, boosting calorie burn and building strength.
Minute 4. Alternating reverse lunges.
Continue with alternating reverse lunges. Step one foot back, lowering your knee toward the floor. Then return to standing and switch sides. Swing your arms gently to keep your momentum. Focus on controlled movements as you alternate legs, engaging your core with each lunge for a balanced, challenging exercise.
Minute 5. Finish strong with mountain climbers.
End your quick workout with mountain climbers. Get into a high plank position, then drive your knees toward your chest one at a time, as if running in place. Keep your hips low and your pace steady. Mountain climbers will fire up your heart rate and maximize calorie burn in this final minute.
Cool down and celebrate your success.
Take a moment to slow your breathing, march in place, and gently stretch your muscles. Even short bursts of cardio can make a big impact on your energy and fitness. Remember, consistency is key. Repeat these 5 minutes daily for rapid results and long-term health benefits.